Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a short video introducing myself. The first question is, what's your name? My full name is Sharon Chipo Manjera. Do you have a totem? Yes, my totem is zebra, samaita, mbizi, duve, manjenjenje, gandarawasikana. Yeah, that's my totem. That's me. Do you have any nicknames? I carried many nicknames when I was growing up, but then the one that I don't even want to hear right now is Kondo or Rukotsi. It used to mock my head because I used to have a big head here, like a big sharp end thing here. I don't know where it went, but then people used to mock me and sing songs about that, so I didn't like it. Then, where are you from? I am probably Zimbabwe. I am Zimbo. And my way is Zimbabwean is Zimbo. I am Zimbabwean. I am happy to be a Zimbabwean. I am Zimbo. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have Moshen, Noshen, Washington, Mukudze, Diamond. Yeah, so we are we are actually 6. So I'm the firstborn. Then my 5 brothers. We are 6 in our family. Then, which part of Zimbabwe are you from? This is actually difficult for me to answer because I spent half of my life in Harare and half of my life in Masvingo. So I was always back and forth, Masvingo, Harare. But then my dialect that I adopted is Chikaranga from Masvingo. So I speak Chikaranga, that's like Wejira thing. So yeah, I grew up in Harare, Glenview 3, and also Gutum Pandawana in Masvingo. Then, did you go to any university? Yes, I went to Monash University. That's where I did my bachelor studies in international studies and criminology. Then I went to Thammasat University where I did my master's in public health. How old are you? This is a secret. A secret to you. Do you own any property? Yes, I can proudly say I own a mountain bicycle. That's the one that I own, and I'm happy. I am happy about that. Yes, I own a bicycle, a blue mountain bicycle. Are you married? No, I am not married. Who is your favorite Zimbabwean artist? I love Japrezam and Murizo and Jazz Signal. Who is your best comedian? Comic Pasta number 1, Gonyet number 2. Then yeah, I love my TT and Madam Boss as well. For the other upcoming artists, Anna Shibaby and what's the girl them? We might challenge something. Then, are you a slay queen? No, I am not a slay queen. I am 100% strong rural background girl. Ghetto. Yes, that's me. Who is your favorite international artist? It's funny because I love both Cardi B and Nicki Minaj because they always fight. And I don't even know why they always fight because they are in the same industry. But I love them both. Where are you right now? Right now, as I'm talking, I am in Thailand because that's where I am apparently working. When are you coming back to Zimbabwe? I am 150% sure that I'm coming back to Zimbabwe next year in April because I'm just waiting for my for my contract to end and also like for the schools to close as well. Then I'll come back to Zimbabwe. What's your favorite food? It depends with my mood, but then here in Thailand I love ribs from pizza company, and yeah, but when I'm in Zimbabwe I basically love traditional food like mubora and magwava. Yeah, those are things that I love. And who is your favorite Zimbabwean YouTuber? This is actually a tricky question to answer because I've actually noticed that there are many Zimbabwean YouTubers, or many successful Zimbabwean YouTubers, who are actually staying abroad. But my wish is that we should also have as many as possible Zimbabwean YouTubers who are based in Zimbabwe. Who would you want to work with when you go back to Zimbabwe? What I would do is, I'm kind of like someone who also want to learn from people. So what I'll basically do is that when I go back to Zimbabwe, I'll try to approach some of the upcoming Zimbabwean YouTubers, so that maybe we can do collabos, because I've seen that many people do collabos and then it actually helped them with their YouTube channels. It might be in terms of video quality, it might be in terms of content in general. So my wish is that as Zimbabweans we should unite. What's your favorite place that you say you'll visit when you go to Zimbabwe? Wow, I have so many places that I would love to visit when I go back to Zimbabwe. The first one that I would love to go to is Victoria Falls. Can you imagine? I'm from Zimbabwe, but I've never been to Victoria Falls. And Kariba Dam, I don't even know where Kariba Dam is. I don't even know where Great Zimbabwe is, but I am from Masvingo. I am totally embarrassed. I'm from Masvingo, but I don't know where Great Zimbabwe is. So I would love to go there when I come back in April. And the other place is Chinhoyi Caves. Chinhoyi Caves. And other one is in Binga. There is a place where Toki Vibes show his videos, so I would love to go there. And what else? Yes, the other one is Vumba, and also Nyanga. I would love to go to Nyanga. So these are the places that I want to go to, but I don't know if I'll be able to find the means to go there. I might have the income, but then I don't know how to go there by myself. But so if there is anyone who would love to travel with me when I come back to Zimbabwe, just holler me, just tell me that, oh, you know this and this person, or maybe we can just go together. I don't have any problem with that. Yeah, so that's basically me.